Hi friends, today we'll see the structure of educational administration in Karnataka. So this structure of educational administration in Karnataka topic will be coming in B.Ed first semester DMSc. So in the DMSc main, the first semester the first structure of educational administration in Karnataka is the main part. It will be coming for 5 to I think for 8 marks it will be coming. Mainly in this structure of education administration in Karnataka, Chief Minister is the head of the state. So, according to the state, Karnataka state, Chief Minister will be the first person. So, he is the head of the state. Under the Chief Minister, first it will come as Higher Educational Minister. So, the Chief Minister, under the Chief Minister, the Higher Educational Minister will be coming, and the Primary and the Secondary Educational Minister will be coming. So, under the Primary and Secondary Educational Minister, Principal Secretary will be the next head, and under the Principal Secretary it is going to divide it into 3 subsections, that is Joint Secretary, Under Secretary and Deputy or Additional Secretary will be coming. So under the Principal Secretary, Joint Secretary, Under Secretary and Deputy Additional Secretary will be coming. Under the Under Secretary part, mainly the Commissioner of Public Inspector we used to call as CPI. Commissioner of Public Inspector, it will be coming. So this Commissioner of Public Inspector is the main thing which is going to subdivide into 3 sub-levels. They are called as state level, divisional level and district level. Again I am repeating, under the Commissioner of Public Inspector CPI, it is going to divide into 3 sub-levels. These are state level, divisional level and district level. We will see one by one. So under the state level, what are the things it will be coming? Under the state level, DDPI, we used to call as DDPI. The DDPI is the Deputy Director of Public Instructor. What is that? Deputy Director of Public Instructor. So under this, what all the main branches, main subsections will be coming is Director of Primary Education, Director of Secondary Education, Director of Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, that we call as KSSEB. KSSEB, Director of Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. So this is the examination, Karnataka State Examination Board will be conducted by this KSSEB board. And next, Director of State Educational Research and Training, that is called as DSERT. Director of State Educational Research and Training. And Director of Other Examination, Director of Vocational Education, Director of Minority Education, Director of Sarva Shikshana Abhiyana, SSA. We all very much familiar with the SSA. So Sarva Shikshana Abhiyana will be coming under the state level of DDPI. Now we'll see the divisional level. Under the divisional level, JDPI will be coming. That is Joint Director of Public Instructor. JDPI, Joint Director of Public Instructor. So under this JDP of Bangalore, what are the cities will be coming covering in this one is our JDP of Bangalore, JDP of Belgaum, JDP of Mysore and JDP of Gulbarga will be included in this one. Next, district level will be coming. Under the district level, again it is subdivided into DDPA of administration and DDPA of development. So DDP of administration, it will under the DDP of administration, the subject inspector SI and educational officer EO will be there. So it is related to the taluk level. In the taluk level, again it is subdivided into, we'll see in the taluk levels, coordinator, BRP, block resource person, CRP cluster resource person, and in the way BEO, block educational operator, and EO educational officer, HM headmaster and teachers will be coming. So all these headmasters, BEO, EO, HM will be coming under the taluk level, and this taluk level will be coming under the DDP of administrator. Under the DDP of development, the lecturer, senior lecturers and the junior lecturers will be included. This is the all over educational administration in Karnataka, and this is very important. And according to the B.Ed first semester, this is the main part. This question will be compulsory question. 90% this question will come in the examination. In the examination view, this is very important. Thank you children. Thank you very much.